as I told you, every one of us should look and ask, what would we do had we been attacked in such an aggressive way as we were attacked last night from 4 corners of the Middle East, with proxies shooting at us, firing missiles and ballistic missiles, drones, and cruise missiles. This is like a real war. I mean, this is a declaration of war, not because we are restrained and because we know the repercussions and because we have deliberations with our partners. We are considering all options, and I'm quite confident that we will take the necessary steps that are necessary to protect and defend our people. We are not war seekers. I think I would leave it at that.
Saya Ihsan Sitorus. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.